Welcome to Creative DIY with Momdaz and welcome to Vlogtimber episode 4, and today we're going to make some little lanterns out of old book pages. So I'm going to take one such old book page, and here I have a votive candle holder. It's basically like a beaker shape, or you can take any such cylindrical glass object to form the inside structure for your lantern, or also you can even make them standalones without any glass beaker inside them. Just add a battery operated candle inside and not a flammable one. So first thing, after I take my glass beaker or glass votive candle holder, I need to know how much length of my page that I want or paper that I want. I just want to overlap it so that I can glue close it. So I just marked how much I need. Now, this is the length that will go around the circumference or the girth of the votive candle holder. But what about the height? Now height is, it has to be more than the total length of the votive candle holder or the intended length of the lantern. This should be more than that. The more that you take, the more flared or the more curvaceous the lantern would be. The smaller that you take, the less curves will be formed. So it has to be definitely more than the length of the votive candle holder or your intended actual height of the lantern. So once this is done, I'm just going to fold my page like this gently. This is along the total girth of my lantern. So along this line, I just gently fold it, and I fold the top, say about a centimeter on the top. On both sides, I just need the crease mark here. Now when I open, I can see gently how much I need to cut through. Now this gives me the crease or the line, a strip which is going to attach onto my lantern or which is going to be flat. Now let's make the cuts so that my lantern can flare up. So I'm going to hold it neatly, you can clip it, and I'm going to make thin cuts, not more than a centimeter. It can be less than a centimeter, as fine as you can. Just parallel cuts till that crease line is there. I'm not going through and through, otherwise it's gone, it's spoiled. This crease line has to be maintained, therefore I made that fold. Because this is an old book page, one needs to be really delicately handling it. It's really aged and frail now. So anyway, we have finished cutting it, and let's open it. Oh, here we are. It's beautiful. So I'm just gonna press this down a bit. Now if you want something which has this conical edge, you can leave the curve, or if you want it rounded, I think you can go the other way, so it will give you a beautiful curve. So now I'm going to glue it here. So I'm just going to apply a little glue on one end here, and I'll start from the bottom edge, enclose the whole thing and close it here like this. Push this thing down, and just below the neck of the bottle, I'm just going to glue it again. Yeah. Just help these open up a bit, neat and nice, and you can see how pretty this can look. So this is little crude, but this is big, and you can make bigger ones or you can make cute smaller ones, flatter ones. They can be plain colored like the book pages color, or one can just give it some more additional color if you want to. So I'm just using some color paints to make some patterns, and I'm keeping my patterns right till the middle of it, in the center itself, because I want the rest of the book pages colored to show through. I like that natural earthy color of book pages. I want that to stay and not be lost. It has this beautiful boho look, which again is something that I really like. Now I have a patterned paper here. I'm just going to fold it, keeping my pattern outside. It's right in the center, as you see. Make the other top fold so that I know how much that I can cut, make the slits like this, and make my lantern. I think these lanterns, they look really gorgeous, really beautiful, especially with the lights in, the old book pages with the text on, and the aged colored yellowed pages. They just give it so much more character and beauty. They look simple yet very elegant and beautiful. They can be used for all festive occasions, parties, or you can just make multiple lanterns and spread them throughout your tablescape, in the center of your table spread. It's going to look really beautiful for wedding occasions. I think they will make beautiful decor. They're easy to make, absolutely inexpensive. I hope you liked my today's DIY, and tomorrow, that is Block Timber episode 5, I have a very easy and quick little DIY which can be very useful. So see you soon tomorrow. Until then, have a great day. Thank you.